way to Coast Jeep Festival. We're hauling 2 of our Jeeps. We got the whole crew following us behind. Stay tuned for more videos. We like it loud.
Feel the touch of a precious child and know a mother's love.
Hey, how you doing, people? My name is Ephraim. I'm the owner of Fluffy the Ruby here with DS18 at Sarasota Jeepfest.
See, this is what it's about. Even though they don't rock DS18, they're part of it.
Hey guys, I'm here at Coast Jeep Festival. Check out Native. She is with the DS18 sound booth. I am checking them out. Potentially gonna be with them. Here's Team 5 Guys.